Hey, Kristen. Oh, you're having a party?
Yeah, just take phone calls.
Oops, yeah. Hey, I just had an email from a shop, and they were asking. It sounds really easy to say just charge the customer, but like, how do you really do that?
Yeah, it's not really easy at all. So the first thing you have to do is you really have to take a look at your shop and your market. Like, kind of do a market survey. Where do you fit? How many shops are in the market? Of those shops in the market, where are you as far as worst to best? How many competitors fall in your same length? We kind of need to know what you're up against. The next thing is that I would tell you is take a really good look at your business and determine where you're actually losing money. I think a lot of people jump and just think that I'm losing money and I need to get more, and so I'm gonna have the customer pay. But let's take a good look at your estimates. Are there other ways we can close the gaps? Do we need to write better sheets? Do we need to get negotiation training? Maybe we should explore RTAs. But is there anything else before we get to that ultimate solution, which is charge the customer? And then when it is time to charge the customer, the most important thing is going to be the conversations that you have ahead of it before we get too deep into the repair. And then what documents or contracts are you having the customer sign? Because we need to make sure that there's some distinctive legal agreements.